This video is sponsored by Squarespace. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and run your business. Oh yeah, we paint in Berlin, baby. We paint in Berlin today. Paint today. That's how we do. Oh yeah, it's looking good, man.
Oh man.
Killer graffiti jam. Where are you from again, man?
Malta.
Malta. Sick. Looking sick. We're at this little like graffiti jam thing. Hey man, it's looking good.
Enjoying it, yeah. It's a nice spot, yeah.
You just hanging out or did you make a piece?
No, I've just been chilling.
Yeah. Alright, it is day 5 in Berlin. Me and Ben are waiting to link up with a mysterious gentleman named Hocus77. And I was emailing him a bunch a while back, and then he went radio silent, and he hit us up this morning and was like, what's up, you down to paint? And we were like, oh snap, yeah, we're down to paint. So now we're at this like crazy metal wall. It's like rusted sheet metal. We're gonna meet up with this dude Hocus77 and see if we can paint some stuff. Last full day in Berlin. It's been a wild ride so far. It's been awesome, but we're trying to get one more in before I move on to the next city, which is Vienna. So I guess we'll see what happens here today. It's gonna be sick. So this is Hocus. Can you show your face? Is it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Blur it.
My illegal time is
it's over? Okay. Yeah. Cool. So yeah, should we start setting up? Find a spot maybe? Yeah. So are we gonna try and find an empty space or paint over somebody, or?
You can paint over somebody. You can go where you want.
You wanna do some letters today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this you just there? This, and this. Oh yeah, yeah. It's your local spot. Yes. Yeah, nice.
So we do characters, so maybe we can do character, letters.
Huh?
Yeah.
You could do one in the middle, and then I could do one on the right, and you could do one on the left.
Yeah. Do we have a ladder, or just as high as you can? You have one?
Yeah.
Okay. Nobody's gonna get angry?
No.
Okay.
You could paint here. I go over myself. Yeah. And this one, yeah. This one.
These are the walls. These are the walls.
Trusty.
How long do pieces last here?
Huh?
How long do they last? Do they stay?
Very long.
Very long?
Yes.
Nice.
When I say, here's 3 people who paint here. 2 friends of mine and me. So.
Oh, you're the boss.
When I say, then stay.
Yeah.
Then stays.
He's the boss. He's the spot boss.
1, 2, 3.
That's awesome. All right. Painting on this rusted metal wall was kind of a difficult and interesting experience. The rusted metal, as soon as you sprayed on it, just kind of soaked the paint up like a sponge. It just like sucked it into the wall and absorbed it, and it just took a lot more paint to get that like kind of thicker coverage. But on the flip side of that, it did add this like super cool, grimy, grungy texture to everything that just automatically made your piece look antique. And I think this is one of the most unique and cool surfaces I've painted on that was equally difficult and awesome.
This is the second wall, the stone wall here from the scrapyard in Schöneberg. And this is a friend of mine. He writes Punch, and he also writes Descent 77. Punch 77. He's also born in 1977.
Sick.
This piece I did for my mom last year. to the Mother's Day.
Mother's Day piece.
Yeah.
What did she say?
He was very lucky.
She liked it. Yeah.
And this is this guy called Dorok. It's from the GIF Boys. Another friend of mine. He painted with Poison. This is Poison. It is a little bit freaky style.
Yeah.
You can't read it, but it looks nice. A little bit ugly.
Poison's freaky.
Freaky, ugly style. And I painted together a few weeks ago, and I did this piece, and he painted this. So it was
This is a nice wall. That metal wall is special, though.
Metal wall is special, but when you want to do some concept style, so you can paint also.
Do this one, because you can buff it easier.
Yes.
Yeah. Berlin has so much spots.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But not enough.
Never enough. The big blue hound coming along. It's me, Hocus, Ben, coming together. Cool. This metal wall is crazy to paint on. It's such a unique surface. Having a great time, trying not to get sunburned. We're just gonna keep painting. It's going fucking awesome. Germany, Berlin, what's up? When I first started the day painting here, I was like freaking out because my sketch looked so ugly and I was having like a mini anxiety attack because it looked so bad. I was like, oh man, both of these guys are like kind of fans of my YouTube channel and I'm just gonna come here and just make such a garbage piece on like Hocus's special wall. But at this point, I kind of pushed through it and just kept painting, and now I think it's looking kind of good. This is the man. Say your name.
My name is Hocus77.
So Hocus emailed me when I put that shout out that I was going to Europe. And he's like, hey, I have a wall. And I was like, what kind of wall you got? Then he sent me a picture of this and I thought it was so small, but it's an amazing wall. What's your Instagram?
My Instagram is Hocus77 Berlin.
Follow Hocus77 Berlin. If you want to see some sweet art, some sweet graffiti, and a totally awesome, nice dude.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yep.
So Mr. Hocus77 is going to help me on the background part, so his sort of crazy pink celestial effects can kind of join with my blue psychedelic hound, acid hound, and hopefully it kind of can join our pieces a little bit. But as you guys know, I mostly use brush paint, so maybe I can get a little tutorial from the legend here. He's been painting since 1993. So he's like super OG, he's got a lot of the skills, so maybe he can give me a quick lesson on some of these background effects.
It's an honor for me.
It's an honor for me. I feel like I'm learning so much about spray painting on this trip because like I use maybe 30% spray paint and 70% acrylic paint, and because of how fast we're working and because of what's available, and the time, like it's almost all spray paint, and I'm just a little baby. I'm a little spray paint baby trying to grow. So this is
murals cool. In 5 days.
4 murals in 5 days.
4 murals in 5 days.
Yeah.
They only work with spray paint.
Yeah, no way. So yeah, let's jump into some more painting and maybe a little tutorial from Hocus77. This is dope. This is like some real secret Berlin stuff right here. I'm really honored to have put a piece on this wall. This is just a really cool spot. It's been a beautiful day. I'm so glad that Hocus77 was able to shoot me that last minute email. He just got back from a holiday in London, and yeah, just feeling good, feeling accomplished. This is my last night in Berlin. Feeling a little bit sad about that. A lot of bit sad about that, actually. But it's on to the next adventure, on to Vienna. Who knows? Who knows what that's gonna be like? It's gonna be hard to top Berlin. This thing got off to a good start. Ben showed me a good time, and man, I don't know. I think it'll be hard to top this. I had such a good time, but on to the next one. Well, we're just about done, but this whole European tour could not have happened without my awesome sponsor. So let's hear a quick word from them. I just wanted to take a moment to let you know that this video and this whole European tour is brought to you by Squarespace. Squarespace empowers millions of dreamers, makers, and doers by giving them the creative tools that they need to bring their vision to life. I love Squarespace. I've personally been using Squarespace for like, I don't know, 5 years. I've built a ton of websites on Squarespace. My 1000art.com website is built on Squarespace. I love it. I use it. It's awesome. What's so great about it is they have these award-winning templates that are already beautifully designed. So all you have to do is take your awesome content and plug it into their beautiful templates, and you're off and running. It's super simple. It's super easy. You don't need to know how to code. You just pop that stuff in there and it looks awesome off the bat, straight away. If you guys want to see a video where I made an entire Squarespace website in like 15 minutes, you can check out this video right here. A few of the things that I love about Squarespace is I can have my entire artist portfolio right there, my paintings, my illustrations, my murals, all kinds of stuff. And then just one click away is my entire e-commerce with my t-shirts and hats and hoodies. Having an online shop is a huge part of my business and a way that I support myself as an artist. They also have award-winning 24/7 customer support. So if you do get a little confused, if you do get a little bit lost, you can just hit them up and they'll help you through with whatever you got going on. It's super easy to either set up or transfer your domain. Like when I first started my Squarespace site, I already had 1000art.com. I just transferred it over to my Squarespace. It was really simple. So when you're ready to start your Squarespace site, go to squarespace.com to start your free trial. See if you like it. See if it's as easy as I say it is, which it is. And then when you're ready to publish, go to squarespace.com/1000 for 10% off your first purchase. Link in the description. Thank you so much, Squarespace, for sponsoring this video and for sponsoring this European tour, buying me paint, getting me food. You guys are awesome. And yeah, thanks so much, Squarespace. Well, I think we're done. You guys ready to see the finished piece? Check it out. Thanks for the background, dude.
You're welcome.
Well, that is it, boys. What do you think?
Good.
Good.
Very good.
Good. We think it is good. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been a total blast working with Hocus77 and B.S, aka Ben Smith, aka Bulky Savage, aka the Crazy Kiwi. This has been super rad. Thank you guys so much. If you like this video, leave a like and drop a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know if you like the art. Let me know whose piece you like the best. Sadly, this is my last one in Berlin, heading off to Vienna next, but I am super excited to continue this 1000 Euro tour. Thank you so much, Squarespace, for sponsoring this tour and for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check out 1000art.com if you want some cool art t-shirts and hoodies and hats and leggings and all kinds of crazy art merchandise. I do free shipping anywhere in the United States, and international shipping is available. One last thing, if you want to support me on a monthly basis for as little as $2 a month, you can support me on Patreon and get a whole bunch of behind the scenes stuff that you can't get anywhere else. It's super awesome over there. Go check it out. I'm 1000. This is Hocus77. This is BS. We out. Thanks, y'all. Boom.
Thank you.